bringing you the latest health news and medical breakthroughs. This is KMAX Medical Minute.
In your health news, there's an app for that. A new study finds smartphones could help diagnose common childhood respiratory disorders. Australian researchers incorporated automated cough analysis technology in a smartphone app. They say it was highly accurate in diagnosing problems such as asthma, croup, and pneumonia. Well, expanding eligibility for Medicaid is associated with lower rates of cardiovascular deaths. That's according to new research in JAMA Cardiology that compared to data from states where the program was expanded to states that did not expand it over 6 years. And there's a connection between type 2 diabetes in midlife and strokes in later life. Researchers in Sweden are finding a link between developing diabetes over 40 and an increased risk of serious blockage and the narrowing of brain arteries in people over 60. Those are your health headlines. I'm Avery Travis.